Hello students, welcome back. Today we will see the construction of one more DFSM. First, check out the language given. Let L equal to W. W belongs to A comma B star. W is nothing but a string here, and string contains what? The alphabet A and B. And the occurrence of these alphabet is 0 or any number of times. The star indicate these alphabet can occur 0 or any number of time in the language. Next, the W contains even number of A's and even number of B's. The second condition given in the language is you are going to accept the strings where the occurrence of A's and B's are even. The first step is you are going to identify the alphabets here. So, alphabet equal to A comma B. Next, you are going to write the valid and invalid strings. Valid strings in the language are AA because A is occurring even number of time. BB is also valid string. The count of B is even in the language. Next, B is a valid string. Next, AB is a valid string. Check out the occurrence of A and B in the string. It is occurring 2 times and 2 is a even number. Next, A is also valid string. B is also valid string. So it contains infinite number of valid strings. Next, we are going to write an invalid string also. So writing of an invalid string is a good practice when you verify the DFSM. So invalid strings are A, B, next AB. See, AB is an invalid string because the occurrence of A in the language is odd. So odd number of A is there and odd number of B is there. So this is an invalid string. Next, BA is an invalid string. B is an invalid string. B is an invalid string. So I had written the valid strings and the invalid string. What is the next step? First, I should construct the basic DFSM. So, basic DFSM which accept the minimum string in the valid string list. So, here first I start with the start state. So, I name this as a Q0 state. See, what is the minimum string here? A. So, when I accept the A, I will change the state to Q1. See, it should accept what? AA. So 1A, it should not accept. So I can't make Q1 state as a final state here. Next, I will show the A transition of Q1 back to Q0. See, 1A, 2A. So if I make Q0 state as a final state, it start accepting what? Even number of A's. So I will make this as a final state. So when I make this Q0 as a final state, it start accepting even number of A's. So first string is get accepted by the DFSM. Check out the second string, BB is there. So B ka transition from Q0 state, I will show to a one more state. I will name this as a Q2 state. So 1B, it will move to the Q2 state. Next, for second B, it will move back to the Q0 state. So now the DFSM, it is accepting what? Even number of A's and even number of B's. So here AA is accepted, BB is accepted. Next, take the third string, BB. So start from the Q0 state. When first A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. Second A, it will come back to Q0. When B come, it will change its state to Q2. When second B occur, it will change back its state to Q0. So this string get accepted by a DFSM. Next, take a fourth string, that is AB. So it is a valid string. Check out whether it is accepted by your DFSM or no. So here when A come, it will change the state to Q1. What about B? B ka transition I had not shown from Q1 state. So first you write down the transitions from each of the state. So Q0 state I had shown A transition and B transition. So I will write A and B transition, both are shown. Next, from Q1 state I had shown only A ka transition, I must show what? B ka transition. From Q2 state I had shown only B ka transition, I must show A ka transition. So where I should show this B ka transition from Q1 state. See, AB. So here B ka transition I will show to a one more state, that is Q3 state. Next, AB. So A ka transition I will show to a Q2 state. So now it start accepting what? AB. When A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When B come, Q1 to Q3. When A come, it will change its state to Q2. Next, when next B come, it will move back to Q0 state. So now Q1 state A and B transition I had shown. Next, from Q2 state I have to show what? A ka transition. So where I should show A ka transition. So I will show this A ka transition to Q3 state. Now check out the Q3 state transitions here. Q3 I had shown A ka transition, I must show what? B ka transition. So B ka transition I will show back to Q1 state. Now if I take a string A, B, A. So here when A come, it will change the state to Q1 state. When B come, it will change the state to Q3 state. When another B come, it will change the state back to Q3 to Q1 state. Next, when A come, it will move to the Q0 state. Next, if 4 A's come, see 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A get accepted. When 4 B's comes, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B get accepted. So any combination you take where the occurrence of A and B is even, those all strings are get accepted by your DFSM. So this is a DFSM which accept what? Even number of A's and even number of B's. Next, in the exam, if they ask you to draw the DFSM which accept even number of A's and odd number of B's. So the DFSM remains same, only you are going to change the final state. So if I make Q0 has a final state, it start accepting what? Even number of A's and even number of B's. Next, if I make Q2 has a final state, it start accepting what? It start accepting even number of A's and odd number of B's. Next, if I make Q1 has a final state, then it start accepting what? Odd number of A's and even number of B's. If I make Q3 has a final state, what happened? It start accepting odd number of A's and odd number of B's. So the DFSM remains same. According to the question, you change the final state. So this is the DFSM which accept what? Even number of A's and even number of B's. If in the exam they ask you to draw the DFSM which contains the strings made up by A's and B's, where the occurrence of A's and B's in the string is odd numbers, then you are going to make Q3 as a final state. When they ask you to find out the DFSM which accept odd number of A's and even number of B's, then you are going to make Q1 as a final state, and so on. So once you understood this DFSM, so this is a solution for 3 more languages. Next, so DFSM is ready. What is the next step? I should mention this DFSM by using 5 tuples. So here, what is the first tuple? That is alphabet. So alphabets in the DFSM are A comma B. Next, K is nothing but a state. So how many states are there? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3 states are there. So that will be the K value. Next, what is the start state here? Start state is Q0. What is the final state? Final state is Q0 itself. What is the transition function here? So transition function always mapped by taking states as a row value and alphabet as a column value. So I will take Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 state values as a row value, and A and B are the alphabets. So here Q naught of A, where I move to Q1, Q naught of B, Q2, Q1 of A, Q naught, Q1 of B, Q3, Q2 of A, Q3, Q2 of B, Q naught, Q3 of A, Q2, Q3 of B, Q1. So this is a transition table for this DFSM. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.